Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change an Acura TL taillight. First, open your trunk and find the small access panel on the side of the tail light assembly. You'll need to remove any clips or screws holding this panel in place. Once the panel is off, gently pull back the trunk liner to reveal the back of the tail light housing. This gives you clear access to the bulb sockets. Now that you have access, identify the specific bulb you need to replace. Each bulb has its own socket. Gently twist the correct socket counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn until it loosens. Once unlocked, pull the socket straight out from the tail light assembly. The old bulb can then be carefully pulled directly out of the socket. With the old bulb removed, take your new bulb and carefully insert it into the socket. Make sure it's seated securely. It's best to avoid touching the glass part of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Once the bulb is in the socket, align the socket with its opening in the tail light housing and twist it clockwise until it locks firmly into place. Finally, it's time to reassemble everything. Carefully push the trunk liner back into its original position, ensuring it's neat and tidy. Then, reattach the access panel, securing it with all the clips or screws you removed earlier. Before closing the trunk, turn on your vehicle's lights and check that the new tail light is working properly. This ensures a successful replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.